In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page in Divi Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tweak to update a page's key details with confidence. First, open your site with Divi and load the page you want to work on. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top left area of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon that opens the page controls for this view. Click that gear to reveal more options, then choose Edit Page. This takes you into the editing screen where the page's settings live. On the editor screen, focus your attention on the right-hand side. There's a sidebar that holds all the important options for this page. If you don't already see it, click the tab labeled Page. This ensures you're looking at the overall page settings, not the settings for a single block or module. With the Page tab active, you can adjust the page title. The title appears at the very top of the editor. Give it a clear, descriptive name that matches the content users will find. Short, scannable titles tend to work best. If you're rebranding or reorganizing, aligning the title with your navigation labels helps visitors stay oriented. Next, scroll to the excerpt field. An excerpt is a short summary of the page. While not every layout displays it, it's extremely useful for previews, search results within your site, and certain theme areas. Write 1 or 2 concise sentences that highlight the page's purpose and most important benefit. Keep it plain, no formatting needed. Below that, you'll find the featured image option. This image often represents the page in previews and can appear in certain Divi layouts. Choose a high-quality image that reflects the content. Aim for a consistent style across your site, keep the file size optimized for speed, and make sure the subject is clearly visible at common crop sizes so it looks great in cards or grids. You can also change the background from the page settings. Pick a background color that complements your brand and keeps text legible. High contrast between text and background ensures accessibility and readability. As you adjust, watch how the preview responds so you can confirm it feels balanced and on brand. When you're happy with your edits, close the settings pop-up to return to the page view and see your changes in context. Take a quick look across the header, content areas, and any featured sections to make sure the title, excerpt, featured image, and background all work together. That's it. Your page is now updated in Divi Builder.